Hi, Leanne here, and today I'm reviewing this Orgain protein powder. So you can do this in a 1 pound or a 2 pound container, and this is the 1 pound container. I'm gonna show you the scoop here. It's a very standard scoop, plastic scoop. 2 of these makes 1 serving. In my family, I typically dilute that a little bit because I don't wanna run through this so fast. But every serving does have 21 grams of protein. It has 0 sugar and 6 grams of prebiotic fiber. So those are some really essential things. My kids love this. My typical go-to for a quick breakfast in the morning, I'll put this in a big blender, 3 bananas, 1.5 cups of milk, couple cups of water, a big scoop of peanut butter, and 3 scoops of this is what we do for our family. And my kids are little, so that'll fill up their sippy cups. And that is a great way for us to get nutrition as we're getting out the door. I've been using this for years. I've tried a couple of the other flavors and they are good too. So this is a product that I feel great about. I definitely recommend it. Again, you might want to dilute it a little bit. If you do go 2 scoops per serving, it's gonna run down quicker. So you might want to also get the 2 pound container, but hope this helps.